I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Every single morning it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up higher, say to stay in line. But inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake. Just a soul with the fire and a limited take. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming. They can't conceive. It's close enough to taste it now. So far from the person I used to be. What in the world is wrong with them? My mom and dad said I was born to win. So you won't hear no crying, no complaining from me. Like on every other channel on the damn TV. So just sit right there, don't you touch that dial. Let me borrow your attention for a little while. I can show you a vision, a truth untold. A story that is finally breaking the mold. Oh yeah. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Tearing it down. Wave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it, until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap. to be kind.